Good morning. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. Normally, we have the case that we just built right in front of us during the video. This build was completed on a Thursday afternoon at 3:30 and it shipped at 4 o'clock. So needless to say, we did not even have time for an accelerated video with the case in front of us. So this is the size of the case. It's a Nanook 940. And we have great videos and pictures of the build, but we do not have the case for the build video. So for a very complicated, fully custom case, we had this thing shipped in almost no time at all. Customers excited to get it. We shipped it 2-day air. We didn't have time to have it here for the video. We did take a lot of videos and pictures during the build, and I hope you enjoy watching this. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge. I feel like that's Ethan's line now. I can still use it. I didn't put on my microphone, did I? Be right back. I got nothing.